Hey everyone, a quick video to demonstrate the arc tool that Protrader released a few months ago. All of our drawing toolbars are down the bottom here. The arc tool is this one. You simply click it, then head to the chart and draw a horizontal line. Once you click that again, you can then go and create your arc. It's easy to change it and edit it until you're happy with it, just by clicking on the circles, all three of them, and manipulating it until you're happy that you have it right. Once that's done, there's other things you can edit with the arc tool. When you highlight the arc tool, then you can go to this little nav bar. You can delete it by pressing delete, or simply just delete on your keypad. You can change what you see in the middle here of the semicircle by altering and touching this. You can make this transparent so it's white, or you can make it any color you want. You can also change the thickness or the boldness of the arc itself. This is quite thin, this is quite thick. You can also create the line as solid, dashed, or dotted. That is the arc tool. We hope you enjoy it. Thank you.